Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel PSC Confidence Booster. Today we see another 25 multiple choice questions related to alternator. Then let me start. Question number 1. The EMF induced in stator coils of an alternator is always. Answer is option B, greater than the terminal voltage. Question number 2. Short pitched coils in the alternators are used to. Answer is option B, reduce the harmonics from the generated EMF of the alternator. Question number 3. The Potter's triangle separates the. Answer is option C, armature leakage reactance and armature reaction MMF. Question number 4. The maximum current that can be supplied by an alternator depends on. Answer is option B, strength of the magnetic field. Question number 5. Non-salient pole type of rotor construction is usually provided in the alternators used in. Answer is option B, thermal power stations. Question number 5. Alternators are usually designed to generate. Answer is option D, definite frequencies. Question number 7. The effect of armature reaction in an alternator depends on the. Answer is option A, power factor of the load. Question number 8. For parallel operation, alternators must have the same. Answer is option C, voltage rating. Question number 9. Most commonly used synchronous generator is dash type. Answer is option A, revolving field. Question number 10. In concentrated winding, the armature coils are assumed to be concentrated in dash slot per pole. Answer is option A, 1. Question number 11. An exciter is nothing but a. Answer is option C, DC shunt generator. Question number 12. In case of alternator, the stator frames serves. Answer is option B, as the return path for the flux. Question number 30. An alternator is capable of delivering power at a particular frequency. The frequency can be increased by. Answer is option B, increasing the armature speed. Question number 14. Alternators nowadays are designed to have poor regulation because. Answer is option B, it limits the value of short circuit current. Question number 15. The ratio of voltage induced by distributed and concentrated winding having the same number of term is called? Answer is option B, breadth factor. Question number 16. Fractional slot winding is the method of a winding where the number of slots per pole is. Answer is option B, not an integer. Question number 7. Which harmonic will be totally eliminated in an alternator by using a fractional pitch of 4 by 5? Answer is option B, fifth. Question number 18. Two alternators are sharing an inductive load equally if the excitation of one alternator is increased. Answer is option B. Another alternator will deliver less current. Question number 19. The frequency of an alternator delivering power can be increased by. Answer is option A. Increasing the motor speed. Question number 20. When the terminal voltage of an alternator drops, throwing the load, it indicates that the load has predominantly. Answer is option B, inductive. Question number 21. Non-salient pole rotors are used where dash. Answer is option C. High-speed prime movers are available. Question number 22. A synchronous generator gives output at the standard frequency. This frequency can be increased by. Answer is option B. Increasing the speed of the armature. Question number 23. If the input to the prime mover of an alternator is kept constant, but the excitation is changed, then. Answer is option A. The reactive component of the output changed. Question number 24. Which fractional pitch will eliminate the 7th harmonic from the voltage waveform of an alternator? Answer is option A, 6 by 7. Question number 25. If two alternators are running in proper synchronism and the voltage of one machine is suddenly increased, answer is option C. Synchronizing torque will be produced to restore further synchronism.